Hey guys, it's Jessie Lee, and I got a snake egg right here. Yep, a real snake egg. Now, I bought this in my favorite shop in St. James. And so, let's see if it really works. So, the instructions say we need water, leave it for 48 hours. So, I guess that's what we will be doing. So let's get started. Now I gotta tape on it. Wow, this is a real live snake egg. See what I mean, guys? Snake egg. Put it in the water. I'm gonna wait until it sinks. I think it's gonna sink. It looks huge.
So in 2 days, you're gonna come back and look it up?
Yep. So,
Check
that's
this.
what we're gonna be doing. Bye. Guys, it's Jessie Lee. This is the third day. We kind of overdid it to see if it really grew. And it did a little bit, but yeah. And it finally came out. See guys, it finally hatched. Now for y'all, just for y'all, I am going to take this out. My assistant has me to take it out.
Oh, really? I don't think so.
Where's my clipper?
Do you want a clipper?
Yeah.
Okay, hold
There's
on.
little things to clip out.
Let me get it.
Ew. I gotta be gross. Baby didn't have to see that if she doesn't want to. She's a baby. And she's not real. I'm getting grossed out.
Here's your clipper.
Thank you. Close
Cold
the door.
tongs.
Close the door. Close the door. I am going to keep this far away from me. Ah! Ew!
Are you gonna touch it?
Ew!
So we have to put it closer. But you have to touch it to see what it feels like. So this was the egg. And
Fine,
it's hot.
just for you, just for you. That feels like groggy. I don't know what it feels like. Now, I'm going to take out one of the eggs to show you what it looks like. The crazy scientist. I'm going to show them what it looks like. See what I mean? Ew. Ew. This cannot fit anymore. Look, guys. This can't fit. This can't fit. I can't believe this like was growing.